Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to remove a credit card from your Amazon Prime subscription. Remember, you'll need to add a new payment method to keep your Prime benefits. First, go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Hover over Account and Lists and click on Your Account. Next, under Account Settings, click on Your Prime Membership. Then, on the Prime page, look for and click Manage Payment Methods. Then, you will see the payment method currently used for Prime. To remove it, you must first click Change or Add a Payment Method to enter a new card. After that, once the new card is set as default, you can go back to the payment methods list and remove or delete the old card. Your Amazon Prime subscription will now build a new payment method. You must have a valid card on file to maintain the membership. If this step-by-step guide helped you update your Prime billing, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.